Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram story icon to big in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix, first of all, open your iPhone setting. From here you scroll it down, then tap on journal. From here then tap on iPhone storage, search for Instagram, then tap on Instagram app. What you need to do it, offload your Instagram app, and after that you have installed old version Instagram, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, open your Instagram app, then tap on profile icon, tap on three lines, then tap on setting and privacy, scroll down, then tap on help, then tap on report a problem. From here what you need to do is tap on report a problem without checking, then tap on this, then tap on include and continue, and from here tap on your problem, then tap on send. After send, Instagram team connect your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.